Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we are on exercise number 6, and in this exercise we can see that it's mentioned here ta'amal ta'malil amsilata ta'malil amsilata summa adkhil kana alal jumalil atiyati ta'malil amsilata summa adkhil kana alal jumalil atiyati. So ta'ammala yata'ammalu. So ta'ammala yata'ammalu means to ponder. As over and over again this word is coming, this kalima is coming. Ta'ammal means to ponder. Amsila is the plural of misal, means example. So we have to ponder over the example. Summa, then adkhil, adkhala yudkhilu, adkhil, then we have to, or we need to enter kana. So this is a new thing, kana. Actually this is not a new thing, we have already gone through this, but in a different format. Kana alal jumalil atiya. Jumal is the jama for jumla, and atiya means coming. So just we have to ponder on the examples which are given here. Then we have to enter kana on the sentences which are coming. Now regarding kana wa akhwatuha and inna wa akhwatuha, inna and the respective sisters, and kana with the respective sisters. This book number 2 with chapter number 1, as you know that there came inna, like we know inna allaha Ghafurur Rahim. Inna Allah. Inna always comes with Allah, not with Allahu. So we know that inna is having something, any noun with a fatha, like inna Allah. Inna Allah. Then we say inna Allah Ghafurun. Ghafurur Rahim. Ghafurur Rahim. So in this we know that this is always fatah. This is called as ismu inna, and this is called as khabaru inna, that verily Allah is Ghafurur Rahim. So this comes with fatah, this comes with dhamma. But but for the kana it is opposite. For the kana we have, for the kana simply means he was. He was. It is a past tense, is taking something into past. Kana. So kana is also having a ism and it is also having a khabar. So this is also a nominal sentence which will be having a noun, which will be having something on which a nominal sentence will be fitted. Like we have, like we say, Bilalun fil fasl. Bilal is in the class. Now I want to say Bilal was in the class, so I will say Kana Bilalun fil fasl. I will come to that also. So let's say we have here Kana. So Kana will have a ismu Kana which will be mansoob. Let's say Bilalun Mariz. Bilal is sick. Now I want to say Bilal was sick. So I will say Kana. What will come? Bila. What will come? Kana Bila.
Lu.
Kana Bila Lun. Kana Bilalun. Then after that, Mari. Dan. Kana Bilalun Maridan. Bilal was sick. So, regarding these sentences, these are nakis, these are not tam, they are not complete sentences, these are nakis. That's why we say af'alul nakisa. These are having uh, these are having the potential of making something into like we say that they are not complete in terms of making it a failure sentence. It remains as a ismiya sentence. That's why we say af'alul nakisa. That's why we have a ismu kana and a khabaru kana. It is like a ismu kana and a khabaru kana. But from the verbal perspective, we know when there comes a verb, it always comes with a dhamma and a fatha. Like I say, qara'a hamidun al qur'ana. Let's say I write qara'a hamidun al qur'ana. Now, if we see this, Qara'a means to read. Hamidun comes with a Dhamma. It is the doer of action. Hamid is doing the action of reading the Quran. Then what was the action or on which the action was made was the Quran. It comes with a Fatah. Now, if you critically analyze these two sentences, here after Kana also the doer of action, it's not a doer of action, it's only Ismu Kana. It's come with a Dhamma same like Hamid, and Khabaru Kana is comes with a fatha, same like Maful Bihi. But this is not a fa'al. This is not a fa'al. This is not a verb. This is Kana. So it imitates as far as the vowel signs are concerned, dhamma and fatha, dhamma and fatha. But that's why we call it as af'alul nakisa, that it is not having a potential to make a sentence purely as a failure sentence, as a verbal sentence. It remains as a ismiya, as a nominal sentence, but having some powers or having some effect of verbal sentence as far as the signs are concerned. As you can make out, dhamma and fatha. That's why we don't say kana is having a file and a maf'ul. No, we say it is having a ismu kana and a khabru kana. Ismu kana and a khabru kana. It's very difficult to use the screen like this. Then I have to rub everything, and I don't have any power on the screen except for magnification. Anyways, let's see how to do this. So now I hope that this thing is clear with you, that that's why you called it as af'alul nakisa. Af'alul af'alun nakisa. Af'alun nakisa. So these are af'alun nakisa, and it is a jumli. It is a ismiya, jumla ismiya, and we say a nominal sentence. Now the things will become more clearer in this. It's written here. Better, I think I'll just will read the two sentence. Then after that you can carry on. Al mudarrisu fil fasl. The teacher is in the class. You know this is al mudarris mubtada. Fi is harf jar. Al fasli is a majroor. Jar majroor should be jumla khabar. This you know. Now I want to say that the teacher was in the class. So I will use kana. كان المدرس في الفصل. كان المدرس في الفصل, that the teacher was in the class قبل 5 دقائق. قبل and بعد, you know, قبل means before, 5 means 5, دقائق Daqaika means, can anyone tell me what is daqaika?
Minutes.
Yes, exactly. Minutes. Can anyone tell me on what wazn is it? What is the wazn of daqaika? It is mafa'ila. Daqaika mafa'ila. And it is mamnu minas sarf. It is diptote. It is diptote. It means it will not accept kasra. It will not accept tanween. Not fatatain, not kasratain, not dammatain. Kasratain will not come as such because it's a diptote. So this is on the wazn of mafa'ila. Now if we see here, so in kana, so what you will say regarding kana, how you can define kana as such? Just you can say it is fa'lun naqis. Just mention it is fi'lun naqisun. Fi'lun naqisun. It is fi'lun naqis. It is not fi'lu tam. It's not a fi'l which is complete. It is a incomplete fi'l. Okay, incomplete fi'l. Then we have mudarris. Mudarris is ismu kana. What is the position of mudarris? It is ismu kana marfu. Marfu'un. Okay. Then we have khabaru kana. Where is khabaru kana? This is khabaru kana. It has come in form of a sentence. It has come in form of a sentence, so we call it as khabaru kana mansub. Then we have qabla. Qabla is zarfu zaman. This is zarfu zaman. It is giving us, it is, or we say, adverb of time. Then we have khamsi. It is muzafun ilay wa huwa muzaf. Then we have daqaika, which is ala wazni mafa'ila, which is muzafun ilay. Ideally speaking, the muzafun ilay should have a fatha or a kasra. I am asking you, anyone can answer. Does a muzafun ilay is at the end having a fatha or a kasra?
Kasra.
So why is there fatha on daqa'iqa? It should be daqa'iqi.
It's mamnu min as-sarf.
It's mamnu min as-sarf. Ahsan. So we have to remember this thing. So now all the sentences which are in this exercises, or any sentences anywhere in Arabic language, if you will have a kana, so this is the way you will segregate it. Kana, it will be fa'lun naqis, it's mean an incomplete verb. Then mudarris will be ismu kana marfu. Then fil fasli is khabru kana mansub. But if I'm saying khabru kana is mansub, but I don't see a fatha in this fil fasli. As I gave you the example of Bilalun Marizun, then I told you kana Bilalun Marizun. Mere Marizun. But fil fasli there is no fatha. But then why I write mansub, or how to defend my statement that this is mansub? What should I mention in this fil fasli? Besides saying that it is mansub.
Because of huruf jarfi, it is firstly.
Yes, because this is jar majroor and this is shubi jumla. So I need to mention one important thing, because it is fil fasli. It is with a kasra at the end, correct? So and we know it comes with a fatah. So we will always remember that we need to mention one line with it. Fi mahalli nasbin. Fi mahalli nasbin. What fi mahalli nasbin means? That this whole shubi jumla, this whole phrase came in place of nasab. In place of nasab, yani it means that it is taking it is the nasab part is there in place of this part, because we need to write fil firstly. We cannot overcome that. We need to write fil firstly, but besides writing fil firstly, we will write jar majroor shibi jumla. It's a jar majroor. Uh, it is a jar and a majroor, but fi mahalli nasbin, in place of nasab. It means that this place was actually for a fatah, but jar majroor came. That's why we are not mentioning the fatah part. So this should be clear with us. Then we know about qabla and khamsi and daqa'iq. This is related with time. And we know for the adverb we have place and time. So this is adverb of time. And after adverb of time we have muzaf ilay, which is khamsi, and which will be again muzaf, and daqa'iq will be muzafun ilay. So it means that the mudarris was in the class qabla khamsi daqa'iq, means before 5 minutes. So he already left, and the time span from his departure till now is 5 minutes. Now coming on to the ba part. Atullabu fil mal'abi. The students are in the mal'ab, means playground. كان طلاب في الملعب قبل نصف ساعة. Who will translate this sentence?
I will try.
Yes, please.
كان طلاب في ملعبي قبل نصف ساعة.
Yes.
The students were on the playground
Yes.
before half an hour.
Yes, before half an hour. Now for the kana, we know kana is fi'lun naqis. At-tullabu is ismu kana marfu with a dhamma. And fil mal'abi is jar majroor shibi jumla. It's a phrase. But fi mahalli nasbin, in place of fatah. Qabla is zarfu zaman. Nisfi is muzafun ilay wa huwa muzaf, and sa'atin is muzafun ilay. Here you can appreciate that there is a kasratain at the end. Why? Because sa'atin is not mamnu min as-sarf, but the qa'iqa is mamnu min as-sarf. That's why there was no kasra, there was fatha in place of kasra. So nisfi sa'a, half an hour. Sa'a means hour, nisf means half. Coming to part 3. Now it's mentioned here. Ummi fil matbaq. Ummi, ummun means mother. Ummi, when it comes ya mutakallim, it means my mother fil matbaq is in the kitchen. كانت أمي في المطبخ قبل قليل. My mother was in the kitchen قبل قليل, يعني before some time she was in the kitchen. It means now she already left. Now I want to ask you one question. It was here kana. It was kana. Now why here kanat came? Can anyone tell me why kanat came?
Because of Ummi, mother.
Yes, because of ummi. because ummun is muannas, it's ghaib, it's third person, and for the third person we know kanat will come. So it is the same 14 awzan which we know for fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. We know those 14. Kana is also having those 14 awzan same. Kana, kana, kanu, kanat, kanata, kunna. Then we have kunta, kuntuma, kuntum, kunti, kunti, kuntuma, kuntunna, kunni, kunna. So we have the same 14 awzan for the kana also. Maybe you have heard about kun fayakun. Kun fayakun, as mentioned in the Quran, it has come in many places, like Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam, when Allah gave her the news of Masih, so she told, qalat rabbi anna yakunu li gulamu, that how can I have a son when no one has touched me. Allah says, wa iza kuziyal amru, then when I need to settle any issue, I say kun fayakun. So what is this kun? It is from the kana. Kana yakunu kun. Kun is an action or an amar. We say a command, be, and it is. Kun fayakun. Be and it is. So this is the very interesting part and the beautiful part of kana when it comes to command part, kun, be, that we will study in book number 3. So this will be here for this. So now kanat comes because it is for the female, ummi. So it is for the ummi. Kanat ummi fil madbak. My mother was in the kitchen kabla kalil, before some time. Now we have next al-mudiru fil gurfatihi. What is the translation al-mudiru? Better I request that can you make turns and can you complete this sentence, and it will be much more interesting if we have this didactic type of learning. Dr. Zahid, you start with this al-mudiru fil gurfatihi and tell the translation and just fill this part also.
Director is in the Gurfa means,
Gurfa means room.
yeah, director is in the room.
Director is in his room. Gurfati, he al-mudiru fi, the director is, if it is right, if we will say al-mudiru fil gurfa, we say the director is in the room. But if we want to say that the director is in his room, yani in his own room, so we will say fi gurfati, he. So he is going to the mudir. Okay. So
Yeah.
the director is in his room, fi gurfati, he. So how we will complete this sentence here?
كان المدير في غرفته قبل ساعة.
كان المدير في غرفته قبل ساعة. بارك الله فيك. So how we will translate this?
The director was in his room
Yes.
till
Before
1 hour.
Yes, before 1 hour. بارك الله فيك. طيب أحسنت. Next, أكي ظفر. الوزير في لندن.
الوزير في لندن. The wazir is in London.
Yes, the minister is in the London.
Oh, yes, yes. Kana waziru fil fil Londona qabla
Hmm.
asbu.
Qabla
The min
usbu'in.
usbu before a week.
Yes. Yes. So what will be the translation?
The minister was in London
Hmm.
before a week.
Okay, before a week. طيب. So next, so it's clear, huh? So next, أخي في مكة. Now next is Dr. Himayu or Dr. Mubarak or Dr. anyone who is there want to give a try.
May I
أخي
tell?
في. Yes, please.
My brother is in Makkah. أخي في مكة.
Yes, my brother is in Makkah. صحيح.
كان أخي في مكة قبل 4 أيام. 4 أيام.
كان
My brother
أخي
في مكة.
في مكة قبل 4 أيام means before 4 days.
What is?
Yes, my brother was in the Makkah before 4 days. So now he has already left from Makkah. So now the question here is Kana Akhi. Kana Akhi. As I told you, after Kana, Dhamma will come. Yes, after Kana, Dhamma will come. So in Akhi, there is no Dhamma. So how to fix this issue? Because these are the different variation we will find in the Quran also. Because the rule is after Kana, Ismu Kana will have a Dhamma and Khabru Kana will have a Fatah. But now here it is Akhi and we are writing Kana, then we are writing Akhi. So in this Yai Mutakallim will come as Yai Mutakallim, my brother. It will not become Kana Akhu. Akhui. No, it will not come as Akhui. It will remain as Akhi because the rule is Yai Mutakallim will give a kasra whatsoever in front of it. But we need to add one thing, that what is missing here, that we will say Akhi. Here we will say Ismu Kana is Akhu. Ismu Kana is Akhu wa huwa muzaf and Yai Mutakallim is muzafun ilay. But we will say fi mahalli raf'in. Because you cannot see a Dhamma here. In Akhi, you cannot see a Dhamma. But you need to mention one line that it is taking the place of a Dhamma. Then fi Makkata jar majroor should be jumla khabru kana fi mahallin nasbin, that I already told you. It's a new thing, but you need to now get adapt to these things because now slowly and slowly the things will come like this and you will be saying that there is no fatah, there is no dhamma, what has happened, where is dhamma? So it is being substituted by some other thing, so we need to mention that what was coming in that place. Now we have example number 4. أطباء في المستشفى. The doctors are in the hospital. So dash qabla sulusi saatin. Dash qabla sulusi saatin. So we will say what will now the question is what it will come as. Now the question is what it will come. I think there is some
Kano.
before that. I think page number 50. Yes. Now
Kanu.
Yes, it will come as kanu. Yes, this is the part we need to learn here. It will come as, it will come as,
Kanu.
it will come as kanu. So kanu, then we will say atibba'u. Kanu atibba'u fil mustashfa. Kana atibba'u fil mustashfa. That the doctors, because why kanu came, the thing is that why kanu came, because now we are talking about the doctors. So doctors is a jama. So we need to bring ismu kana in jama. So we will say, we will say kanu. So we will say kanu, then it remains same. Atibba'u fil mustashfa qabla sulusi sa'atin. Qabla sulusi sa'atin. Sulusi, what is the meaning of sulusi sa'atin?
3 hours.
No, not 3 hours. Sulusi and rubu'i. Sulusi and rubu'i. Sulus means it is divided into 3. If I divide 60 minutes into 3 parts, so how much will be each part?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Now, if I say rubu isa, now if I divide 60 minutes into 4, how much it will be?
15 minutes.
Yes, it will be 15 minutes. So it means that sulus means 20 minutes and rubu means 15 minutes. So if you have to see that the time is 10:20, how you will say that the time is 10:20? You will say as-sa'atu ashir wa sulus. Now if you have 10:15, you will say ashir wa
Ruba.
You will say ashir wa rubu, or you can say ashir wa khamsa ashara daqaiq, or you can say ishrun. Now let's regarding time, if it is, now if we have the time like this, it's like 10, it's like 9:45. It's like 9:45. Okay, it's like 9:45. So what we will say for 9:45? I can say as-sa'atu. What is 9? Tasya. As-sa'atu tasya. As-sa'atu tasya. Then regarding 45, I think this we will not go here. Just we will keep it simple because time will come later on, because time and counting are two difficult things in this Arabic language. Let's keep it simple. Sulus means it is the third 3 parts. So we will say before 20 minutes, correct? So we will keep this thing simple. So before 20 minutes, 20 minutes. So qabla is zarfu zaman. Sulus is muzafun ilay wa huwa muzaf, and sa'atin is muzaf ilay. So this is the way by which we say. And now the thing is that we will say kanu because it is jama. Now we have a 5th example, at-talibatu fil maktabati. The female students are in the library. So what will come according to kana, how it should come, go like kana? Kana, kana, kanu. Kanat, kanata, kunna.
Kunna.
What will come as?
Kunna
Kunna,
talibat.
kunna taliba tu fil maktabati qabla qalilin. That the female students were they were in the library before some time. They were in the library before some time. So we need to spell them. I will be sharing in the group this kana, kana, kanu, then kanat, then kanata, then we have kunna, then we have kunta, like kuntuma, kuntum, likewise kunti, kuntuma, kuntunna, kunni, and then we have kunna. So this is regarding this. Now coming on to the next page, Dr. Zaid, can you scroll it up? Then we have exercise number 7. تعمل الأمثلة ثم اقرأ جمل الآتية مع ضبط الميم وحروف ساكنة الأخرى. So again, تعمل الأمثلة. So we have to ponder on the example. Then after that, what we have to do? Then we have to read the jumal al-atiya. Then we have to read the sentences. مع ضبط means by putting meme. So we have to put, or we have to pay some attention to this meme wal huruf al sakina, and the hurufs and the words which are sakin after meme. So let's say the example here. It's written here. This is Hamza, Hamzatul Istifam. Akaratum hazal kitab. Akaratum. Did you
Read.
all read hazal kitab? Hazal kitaba. Did you all read this book? So it's written here. Akaratum al-Qur'ana. Akaratum al-Qur'ana. Now after that it is written here. Akaratumul Qur'ana. So it means this is meme. Here it was written meme. And huruf sakin. This is the huruf sakin. So we need to connect this meme with this huruf, with this harf lam. So we will say akaratumul Qur'ana. So the way by which we connect this meme with the next harf is by a dhamma. Here it is a dhamma, and this is the sukoon. So this is the sukoon, because if we are not putting a dhamma, then how can we connect? Is there any way by we can connect? Can anyone amongst you connect these two words, akaratum and al-Qur'ana? It's not possible. You need the vowel sound. You need the short vowel sound. And here it is a dhamma. Akara tu mul. Akara tu mul Qur'ana. The next we have ara'aytum hamidan. Did you all saw the Hamid? Did you all saw Hamid? Ara'aytum. Ra'aytum means it is ra'a. Ra'a means see, to see someone. Ra'a. Ra'a yara. Ra'a. Likewise, we have a hadith, but inna Allah la yanzur. Like it, we have a ra'a yara. Ra'a means to see. Ara'aytum ra'a. Then we have ra'aya. Then we have ra'aw. Then we have ra'ayt, ra'ayata, ra'ayna, ra'ayta, ra'aytuma, ra'aytum. Did you all saw Hamid? Then here it's coming ara'aytum al-mudarrisa. Did you all saw the teacher? Then it is written here ara'aytumul mudarrisa. So this is the way by which we join the two words by adama. Then we have the third. Alakum hazal bait. Alakum, do you have this house, or does this house belong to you? Then it is written here alakum al baitu. Then it is alakumul baitu. Alakumul baitu. So again, by a meme, we can appreciate here that a dhamma is used for joining. Now coming on to example number 4. Kharajat Aminatu. Amina left. Kharajat bintu. Kharajat bintu. Then we have Kharajatil bintu. Kharajatil bintu. We can say Kharajat bintu, that the daughter left. Then we have Kharajatil bintu, that by the way by which we join this. Is there any way by which we can join this ta with this lam? How to join this ta with this lam? Now here we are using a kasra. Now for the fail, a kasra part comes. Like here it is coming as kharajatil bintu. Kharajatil bintu. Kharajatil bintu. The next we have man hazal wald. Who is this boy? Then it's coming here as manil waladu. Manil waladu. Manil waladu means who is this boy. So again we can appreciate here that for joining, a kasra is being brought here, and for here with the zamair, a dhamma part is come, tum. So that's why here it is written here meme wal hurufu sakina. So here the emphasis is on the meme, and the other hurufs which are after that, which are coming, we are connected with the dhamma. And but for the fail and for these particles, we are using a kasra. It's also mentioned here. Dr. Zahid, can you scroll it up? Here it's written here very clearly that this is a sukoon and this is a sukoon. So we are using a kasra for joining this. And here if we have a meme and if we have an alif and lam, so we are using a dhamma for connecting this part. Now here we can see again that it's written here akul afwan akaltum mauza. Akalta. Akala yakulu. Akala means to eat. Akala means to eat. Now we need to increase our vocabulary with the verbs. Akala means to eat. Akala, akala, akalu, akalat, akalata, akalna. Akalta, akaltuma, akaltum. Did you all eat? Often, did you all eat? The mouse means what is mouse?
Banana.
Banana.
Yes. Did you all eat the banana? Then if I want to read in one breath, how I will read without breaking? I can read akaltum mauza. Now if I want to join it, how I will read? Akaltu mul. Akaltumul mauza. So without a break, I am reading. Jalastum fil fasli. Jalastum fil fasli. So this is clear. this will come as jalastum. It will not come as jalastumu fil fasli. No, it will come as jalastum fil fasli. Then we have dakhaltu masjida. How I will dakhaltu means you all entered the masjid. So how to connect this without a break?
Dakhaltumul masjid.
دخلتم المسجد.
Yes, dakhaltumul masjida. Fahimtum darsa. You all understood the chapter. So how to connect this?
فهمتم الدرس.
Yes, fahimtumud darsa. Then we have fahimtum darsal fiqhi. Fahimtum darsal fiqhi. You all understood the fiqh dars, the jurisprudence dars. So here we can see that we are giving a break here because there is no alif lam. There is no alif lam in this part. So we will simply say fahimtum darsal fiqhi. Then we have sami'tum azana. Then I will say sami'tumul azana. Thus alif lam is a prerequisite. It is mandatory that alif lam should be there. Then only we can join this part. Then we have maza akaltum. Maza akaltum. What you all
8.
ate. Alakum hazihi sayyaratu. Alakum hazihi sayyaratu. So here again a meme is coming. So that doesn't mean then I will say alakumu hazihi sayyaratu. No. Alakum hazihi sayyara.
السيارات.
Then we have alakum kutubu. Do you have books? Now here it will come as alakumul kutubu. Alakumul kutubu. Man hadha rajul? Who is this man? Man hadha rajul? Then we have man fata. Now here I can use manil fata. Fata means young man. Manil fata. Fata means a young man. Then katabat talibatu darsa. Katabat talibatu darsa. So how I can join? Now it is katabat. It is a fi'l. It is a verb. So how I can join with a talib without giving a break?
كتبت الطالبة
No. Kataba tit. With a kasra, as I told you that it will be a kasra. Katabati talibatu darsa. That the female student wrote the lesson. Then the 13th part is Ainal mudiratu. Where is the female director? Where is she? Kharajat al-ana.
Till.
She left now. She left now. So how to connect this? Kharaja
till.
till al-ana. Kharajatil ana. Kharajatil ana. She left now. She left now. So I think inshallah we will stop here, and inshallah next week we will continue, but inshallah I will try to fix this issue because it's getting difficult day by day. Inshallah, I ask Allah to ease our affairs and to make us steadfast on His religion, Deen Islam. Sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa aqulu qawli hadha astaghfirullah li wa lakum jazakumullah.